Guys, if you want to learn how to cook moi, stay tuned till the end of this video.
Girl, now you the ginger. If you know how you the cause you drop. Shit, you know go one person.
Hello guys, welcome back to Ngo Baby's Kitchen. The ingredients I use for this moi are beans. Guys, now we wash the beans after soaking for 15 minutes. So we get rid of the skin because we don't need the skin for the recipe. Fresh pepper, bell pepper with onions to blend it together with the beans. So Maggi, 2 cubes of Maggi. Salt, this is the container that I'm going to use. Then the blender, the water, 1 cup of water. It depends the quantity of beans. As you can see, these beans in the blender, there's onions inside, bell pepper, even the Maggi cube. I make sure I blend the Maggi inside to mix very well. 1 cup of water. It depends on you anyway. So now we start blending it. Guys, now we start mixing it. Turn it very well. Then you add salt. Make sure you mix it very well. So guys, now we add vegetable oil and mix it properly. It depends on you, the quantity oil you want. I put little, so turn it well. I also use boiled egg. It depends on you if you want. Now we rub oil to the container for not to be sticky. Now we start adding it. The moi is so delicious. In fact, I can't wait to eat it. Now we start adding the egg. I have only 10 pieces of container, so to make sure all contain it. So wow, it's gonna be yummy. Now we start cooking it. I'm going to cook it for 20 minutes. So now let us check if it's cooked already. Wow, yummy, yummy is This is moi, correct one. Guys, try to cook moi. Mama is a very nice dish. My children like it. Wow. So guys, like my video, share. Thanks for your comments. If you are not yet subscribed, please try to subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, God bless you. Thanks for watching.
Girl, now you the ginger. If you know how you the cause you drop. Shit, you know go one person.